Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, Matibay students!
Welcome to our Matibay class! Ayan, welcome naman, Core 005 students!
Alam ko, Ma'am Tintin, excited ang lahat ngayong ating unang araw ng ating video discussion.
Yes.
Kasi naman, masayang-masaya tayong lahat sa ating GC.
Yes, kagaya nga ng lagi nating sinasabi, huwag nating kakalimutang maging masaya or let's have fun while we are learning. At dahil dyan,
At wag muna!
ay, akala ko, dahil at na yung kasunod. Ano yun?
Ano ba yung sasabihin ko dapat?
At
Hindi ko na alam.
dahil dyan,
Tayo ay mag-start na sa ating module number 2. Kasi ma'am, ang module number 1 ay all about orientation.
Yes, so let's start our module number 2.
Alam ko na, naalala ko na.
Ano yun?
I-congratulate muna natin si
Ay!
ma'am for a job well done on our pre-activity.
Activity. So, di ba,
Ang
huhusay.
gagaling nila.
Nakita na natin agad na kayang-kaya nila.
Oo, syempre naman. Okay, let's go ma'am.
Okay.
Module 1, Functions and its Operation. Actually, this is Module 2, tama?
Yes ma'am, because module 1 is
Oo,
all about
sorry.
introduction.
Oo, so this is Module 2, Functions and its Operation. Okay. Siyempre, meron tayong objectives. Una is differentiating functions and relations, domain and range.
And of course, we also have identifying functions and relations.
Next, we have performing 4 operations of functions property.
When we say
Properly.
operations of functions,
Mahirap niyan.
that is what we call addition, subtraction,
multiplication, and division.
Hirap.
Okay. So, wag nang magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Let's start. Okay. First, let us define muna kung ano muna yung mga relation, function, and so
domain,
on
range.
bago tayo mag-proceed sa solving. Unahin natin si relation. So, it is a set of ordered pairs that can be written as ordered pair X and Y. I'm sure sanay na sila dyan. This is a review only. Review na lang to during your junior high
Sa
school.
mga hindi naman po sanay-sanay sa X and Y, don't you worry guys, dahil
Masasanay din
maintindihan nyo yan ng bonggang-bongga, mamaya-maya lamang. Let's have
Okay.
function. When we say function, it is a relation given that every element of the domain corresponds to exactly one element in the range.
O, tandaan nyo yung one element. Magagamit
Oo.
natin yan later on.
Mamaya.
And under function, meron tayong dalawa, domain and range. At pag sinabi nating domain, it is the set of all X in a relation.
Kung nakikita nyo sa ordered pair kanina, ang domain po siya po yung X doon. Okay?
And range is the set of all Y in a relation. Siya naman yung mga Y doon sa
Okay.
relation kanina.
Moving on, let's have this one, Ma'am Tintin.
Ay, naudin.
Ay, naudin mo. Nagsalapay na ita. Ah!
Sumasayaw
Dapat
pala.
niya pinapasayaw mo pala habang ina-explain mo.
Okay. Ayan.
Okay, let's to further explain domain and range, let's have this figure, number 1.
Figure number 1, sabi natin kanina, domain is the value of your
X.
X. So, ang mga X natin dyan ay si 2, 5, and 10. Gaya ng nakikita
And
ninyo
sabi
dito.
natin kanina, ma'am, when we say range, those are the elements in Y. Kung nakikita natin, we have 6, 15, and 30. Sometimes, domain is also what we call as inputs.
And range is what we call our output.
Uulit-ulitin namin. Domain is the X, while range is the Y.
Okay. Domain is X, range is Y. Yan. As long as no value of the domain is repeated, the relation is considered to be a function.
Kung
Uulitin
una
ko.
kong narinig yung mga ma'am, medyo magugulan pa ako.
Oo nga,
Again, as long as no value of the domain is repeated, the relation is considered to be a function. My question to you, Ma'am Tintin. Tingnan mo ang ating domain. Tingnan mo ang ating X. Meron po bang naulit na number?
Wala.
Walang naulit. Since sabi po niya dito, kapag walang naulit na domain, kinukonsider siya as a function. So meaning to say, that figure is considered as a function.
Uulitin namin, kapag walang naulit na value kay X, it is considered as function. Okay, I hope it is clear.
Yes,
Next.
clear yan.
Ayan.
We have the classification of relations.
Classification of relations, meron tayong isa. Ayan.
One-to-one correspondence. May paikot.
We have one-to-one correspondence. Paano nga ba yon? Parang example natin kanina,
one to
from the
one.
word itself, one-to-one.
Kung ano ang X, tinutusok lang niya si Y.
Isa lang yung
Isa lang
tinutusok niyang Y.
Oh.
Isa-isa lang siya. Hindi siya 3-in-1, hindi siya salawahan,
Kunwari,
hindi siya
ako
two-time
ay
order.
para lang kay Ma'am Tintin, mga ganon. Si Juan ay para lang kay
Pedro.
Pedro. O ganon.
Oh, ganon. Basta, solo-solo lang siya, wala siyang ibang tinuturo.
Kaya nga siya one-to-one, ma'am.
Yes. So, question, sir, itong one-to-one function ba natin, is it a function or not?
O, sabi niya kasi kanina, kung walang naulit dun sa X, kinukonsider natin siya sa function.
Function.
So, I guess that is a function. Yes.
Yes, it is a function. Next,
Okay.
second, we have many-to-one correspondence. Many-to-one. This is an example. So, meron tayo dyaang X or our domain, negative 1, 0, 2, 3, and 4, and our range, 4, 7, 3, negative 2. Many, dito sa ating domain or dito sa ating X, meron siyang tinuturo na iisa lang. Kumbaga, itong dalawa sa domain natin nakakonect sa iisa lang. Kaya siya many to one.
Take note, mama. One-to-one correspondence, many-to-one correspondence are all relations.
Relation.
Ngayon, ang question natin, kung ang one-to-one correspondence is a function, sabi natin yes. Kasi ang function nga, sabi natin, pwedeng one-to-one. Okay?
Walang mauulit
Walang
sa
mauulit
domain.
sa domain. Ngayon ba, ang many-to-one? Okay, in reality, example natin yan, pwedeng si Juan at si Pedro, tutusukin niya si Juana. Nakuha po ako?
Yes.
Or liligawan niya si Juana. Dalawa sila naliligawan ng iisa. Yun ang tinatawag nating many-to-one correspondence. Okay? X si Juan, X din si Pedro. Ang Y nila si
Juana. Ayan.
Okay, so only one. Nag-function kaya siya, ma'am?
Is it a function or not? Since wala namang naulit sa domain natin, it is
Also a
yes,
function.
it is
Kasi
a function.
ang liwanag ng sinabi dito, ang sinabi doon kanina na kapag walang naulit sa domain, it is a function.
Okay. And last, we have one-to-many correspondence.
Baliktad naman yan,
This
ma'am.
is an example.
Okay? One-to-many. Si Juan, tutusukin niya
Tatlong babae.
Tatlong babae ang kanyang liligawan. Kung
Okay.
mag-isa lang ni Juan, si Juan ay considered as X, ang Y po niya ay tatlong babae, si Josefa, si Juana, at saka si Juliana. Something like that.
Okay, so kung titignan mo dito sa domain natin, yung letter A, dalawa ang kanyang tinusok. So, tinusok niya si Roman numeral 1 at si Roman numeral 3. Next question, is it a function or not?
Sa tingin ko, ma'am, hindi.
Why?
Kasi dalawa ang tinusok ng iisang domain.
Okay, so it is a no. Though, walang naulit sa kanya.
Merong naulit yan, ma'am. Gaganyan yan, ma'am, kung isusulat mo. A is 1, A is 3. Naulit siya.
Naulit siya kasi nga dalawa yung tinuro ni A.
So, naulit siya.
So, naulit siya. So, this is not a function. These three, itong tatlong ito is a relation, pero yung one-to-many is not a function.
And that leads us into this. Tatandaan
Okay.
nyo to.
Note,
All functions are relations,
but not all relations are
functions.
functions.
Tagalugan natin. Lahat daw ng functions
ay relation, pero hindi lahat ng relation ay
functions.
function. Parang ito, kanina, di ba? Lahat ito function, pero hindi lahat
lahat
ng...
yan, ma'am, relation.
Lahat ito ay relation, pero yung one-to-many is not a
function.
function.
O, kagaya ng
Okay.
relasyon, ma'am. Hindi lahat ng relasyon ay
Nagpa-function.
nagpa-function. Pero lahat ng function ay
may
relation.
relation.
Kagaya ng magkapatid, relation yun.
Magkaibigan.
Magkaibigan, relation yun.
Yes.
Okay. Pero hindi nga lahat ng relationship
Ay
nagpa-function.
nagpa-function.
Kaya nga may tinatawag tayong hiwalayan. Okay, ganon.
Oh, ang daming nakarelate. Okay. Ay.
Ay,
Next, ayan. We have operation on functions.
Sabi ko kanina,
Operation
ma'am,
on functions, yung
involve
4 basic.
addition,
subtraction, multiplication,
and
and division.
And
Ano nga
we
ba yung
have
operation of functions na yan?
formulas. Okay, we have 4 formulas. Yan na, mag-i-start na tayo sa formula.
Ayan.
When we say addition, f plus g of x is always equal to f of x plus g of x.
Subtraction, f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x.
And of course, multiplication, f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x.
And for division, we have f divided by g of x is equal to f of x minus, all over g of x.
Para maintindihan nila yan, ma'am, let's
Para
apply
mas
it in
maintindihan,
computation.
Let's move on to our computation.
Ayan, para mas bonggang maintindihan ng ating mga matibay students, ma'am, let's apply, okay, the 4 operations of functions. Let's have our first examples, okay? Example, f of x is equal to 3x plus 5, and g of x is equal to x minus 2. And we have letter A, f of x plus g of x. Okay, so we have A, addition po yan, f of x plus g of x. Okay? All we have to do is to substitute it. Okay? Alam natin mga anak that f of x, the given is 3x plus 5. So we have 3x plus 5. Isn't it? Close and open parenthesis. Plus, because our operation is addition. Okay? G of x, we have x minus 2. Okay? And let's simplify. This is equal to 3x plus 5. Kapag addition po, walang magpapalit na sign. So this is positive x and negative 2. Let's combine like terms. Pag sinabi nating like terms, lahat ng may variables pagsasamahin at lahat ng whole numbers pagsasamahin. We have now 3x plus x plus 5 minus 2. Take note mga anak, ang pwede lang nating pag-addin ay ang mga may variables versus may variables at walang variable at walang variable. So we have 3x plus x, tatlong x, dadagdagan mo ng isang x, ibig sabihin we have 4x. Positive 5 minus 2, okay, applying your knowledge in adding unlike signs, that is equal to positive 3.
Sundan yung sign ng mas
Okay,
mataas.
sundan yung sign ng mas mataas. Take note mga anak, in adding integers na hindi po pareho ang sign, kagaya po ng positive 5 and negative 2, subtract the given numbers, pag minusin po ang 5 and 2, then get the sign of the higher number, which is positive. Kaya po siya naging positive 3. Mas maganda ma'am kung mag-review sila ng integers. Okay? Let's have letter B. Sabi naman po sa letter B, Ma'am Tintin, subtract. So, f of x minus g of x. Let's substitute. Okay, sabi ko kanina, f of x is 3x plus 5 minus g of x is x minus 2. Let's have simplify. Let's simplify 3x plus 5. Now, ma'am, kung subtraction, lahat po ng pangalawa ay mag-change ng sign. From positive x, it will become negative x. From negative 2, it will become positive 2. Then, let's combine like terms. This is 2. Sorry. Positive 2. Let's combine like terms. We have 3x minus x, positive 5, positive 2. Okay? 3x, bawasan mo na isang x, definitely that will become 2x. Positive 5 plus 2, same sign, gagawin mo lang pag-plusin sila, walang problema.
Copy.
Positive 7.
Copy the sign.
Okay. Pag-plusin mo lang, then copy the sign, that is the answer. Let's have now letter C. Sabi po ni letter C, f of x times g of x. Okay? F of x is equal to 3x
plus 5
times g of x is equal to x minus 2. Dito, Ma'am Tintin, yung tinatawag na, okay, let's now apply what we called
the FOIL method.
FOIL method. I-apply po ito kapag ang ating operation ay multiplication. FOIL method stands for first, okay, First tayo, 3x times x. Kapag nag-times tayo, just multiply their numerical number. 3 times 1 is
3.
3. X times x is
Add the exponent.
x squared because we must add their exponent. Yun ang ating rule.
Yes.
Next is O. Outside, we have
3x
times negative 2. Okay? Outside. 3x times negative 2. Doon muna tayo sa number. 3 times negative 2, it will become negative 6. Then, copy x. Next is inside. Okay? Inside is positive 5 times 1x or x. Okay, 5 times 1 is 5.
5x.
Positive 5, then copy x. Outside. Positive 5 and negative 2. 5 times 2 is 10, negative 10. Because multiplying different sign is always negative. Then let's, what we call this one, simplify. Copy po ang walang kaparehong
variable.
Exponent. So, 3x squared. Wala po siyang kapareho. Kasi hindi mo pwedeng pag-addin, ma'am, ang magkaiba ang exponent. Ang pwede mo lang pag-addin ay magkaparehong exponent. Magkaparehong exponent ang negative 6x plus 5x. Magkapareho because they have one exponent. Right? Negative 6x, positive 5x. Again, magkaiba sila ng sign. Ang gagawin mo po is to subtract their number. 6 minus 5 is
1.
Ano po ang mas malaki? Negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative. Kaya po siya naging negative 1x. Then, copy negative 10. Okay? Ngayon, ma'am, kung 1 kasi ang kasama ng variable, mas hindi mo na isulat. So, the final answer is 3x squared negative x minus 10.
Final answer.
Yung negative, ma'am, pwede mong basahin minus. Yung minus, pwede mong sabing negative. Pareho lang yun.
Yeah.
And let's have letter D. And the operation is division. F of x divided by g of x. Isn't it, ma'am?
Yes.
Equal to, okay, f of x is equal to 3x plus 5. Isn't it?
Yes.
All over. G of x equal to x minus 2. Okay, can you divide that one? Pwede, pero meron siyang remainder. Now, kung meron siyang remainder, just copy and this is now the final answer. Again, kung hindi mo siya masisimplify na walang remainder, yan na pong kanyang sagot. Okay, that is all about the operations on functions. Example number 1.
Okay, so let's proceed with our example number 2. Tingnan mo, sir, example number 2 pa lang, naghihingalo na yung pentel pen natin.
Kaya mag-ballpen tayo.
Okay, so we have, let's say, for example, we have f of x is equal to 4x squared plus 8x and g of x is equal to x minus 2. Siyempre, level up naman natin ng konti. Ngayon, meron na siyang exponent na squared. So, unahin natin ang addition. Very simple. Just copy. For our f of x, we have 4x squared plus 8x. Parenthesis, merong addition side sa gitna. G of x, we have x minus 2. Next, simplify. Copy mo lang yan. 4x squared plus 8x. Ngayon, since plus yan, just simply copy kasi wala namang mababago sa sign. So, positive times positive is we have positive x. Same, we have negative 2. Tama po?
Apo.
Next, combine like terms. Pagsamahin mo lahat ng magkakapares na variable and exponent. May kaparehas ba si 4x squared?
Wala po.
Wala. So, just simply copy 4x squared. May kaparehas ba si x lang? Meron. We have 8 plus x. 8x plus x is equal to 9. Bakit meron siya dyang numerical na 1? So, we have plus 9x. Since wala nang kasama si negative 2, just simply copy. So, our answer will be 4x squared plus 9x minus 2. That is for addition. Next, let's have our subtraction. Ayan. For subtraction, same equation ang gagamitin natin. Same functions ang gagamitin natin. So, we have 4x squared plus 8x minus copy x minus 2. Simplify, copy mo yan, plus 8x. Next, negative times positive is equal to
Negative
Kaya siya magiging
Basta
negative
minus, ma'am,
x
magpapalit lahat ng, sign.
Negative times negative, positive, magiging plus 2. And then, kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina, combine like terms. Wala siyang kaparehas. So, just simply copy 4x squared. Now, 8x minus x is
7x.
7x. You follow the sign of the greater number which is positive, kaya plus yung nandyan. Next, wala nang kaparehas yung ating constant. Just simply copy. 2. Final answer, 4x squared plus 7x plus 2. Ganun lang kasimple. Next, letter C, we have multiplication. So, we have 4x squared plus 8x multiplied 2x minus 2. Foil method pa rin po tayo. First term. So, we have 4x squared times x is
4x
copy
squared.
4x. 3 plus 1 is equal to
2 plus 1.
2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Kaya siya naging cube. Next, outside. 4x squared times negative 2. Positive times negative is negative. 2 times 4 is 8. And then, copy yung kanyang exponent. Next, inside. 8x times x is positive 8x squared. Next, 8x times negative 2 is negative 16x. Walang kapares yung cube, kaya copy 4x cube. Negative 8x squared plus 8x squared is cancelled out kasi 0 ang sagot. So, cancelled out minus 16x. Since hindi na sila pwedeng isimplify, that will be our final answer. Okay, for letter D, pinalitan natin yung given, no? Kasi medyo meron tayong nakitang inconsistency.
Hindi, tsaka para mas maintindihan nila ng bonggang division.
Okay, so for letter D, we have f of x is equal to 4x squared minus 8x. And g of x is equal to x minus 2. So, division yan. Ipag-divide lang natin siya. Meron tayong dalawang procedure, pero for this certain topic, yung long-term division ang ating gagamitin kasi matatakal natin yan sa ibang araw. So,
synthetic division will be discussed on the next meeting. So.
Okay. So, gawin natin ang long method. We have 4x squared minus 8x divided by, copy, the denominator x minus 2. Okay.
First term.
So, ang kailangan nating i-emphasize dito or tutukan yung ating first term and our first term. Question, ilan nga ba ang makukuha mong x sa ating 4x squared? So, ang idea nito, Sir Jason, is?
To subtract their exponent.
To subtract ang exponent. Kapag sinubtract mo yung exponent niyan, meron niyang 1, di ba? 1 minus 2, ilan makukuha?
1. So, x.
1. So, just copy.
Then, divide their numbers.
4x. Next, 4x times x, we have
4x squared.
4x squared. Next, 4x times negative 2 is negative 8x. And sa long-term division, ang lagi natin ginagamit
Ang
is...
operation involved.
Yes, ang operation involved is subtraction.
Parang sa number din, pag nagdi-divide ka talaga namang minus yan.
Yes.
Oo.
So, wag kayong mako-confuse. 4x squared minus 4x squared is cancelled dahil 0. 8x, negative 8x minus negative 8x is
Cancel.
0 kasi magiging positive yan. Tama? So, cancelled, 0, 0. Our final answer is 4x.
Okay.
So, 4x squared minus 8x divided by x minus 2 is equal to 4x. So, that's it for our Module 2, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. I hope marami kayong natutunan. See you ulit sa ating next video discussion.
At lagi yung tatandaan mga anak, mahirap pa ng buhay. Dapat lagi tayong magiging hashtag
Matibay.
Goodbye mga anak.